For this tutorial, I'll be using Yeye regular yarn with 4mm crochet hook. You can actually use any yarn of your choice and any crochet hook of your choice. I'll be using double strand of the yarn. So make your slip knot. This pattern is a multiple of 2 plus 1. Now let's make 20 chain. 1, 2, 20. So plus 1. Now we are going to be making 1 double crochet to the 5th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th stitch. Make your chain 1, skip 1 chain and make your 1 double crochet the following stitch. Skip 1 and make 1 double crochet the following stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 and make 1 in the following stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 and make 1 in the following stitch. Chain 1. So this I'll be making 1 double crochet, chain 1 till you get to the very last stitch. So into the last stitch, make your 1 double crochet. So this is what you should have at this point. So next is to make chain 3. Turn your work and make 1 double crochet in this box. Chain 1, 1 double crochet in the box. 1 double crochet and chain 1 in the box. So 1 double crochet in the last box. So chain 3 and repeat the 1 double crochet in the box and chain 1. So this is how you continue working your stitches till you get to your desired length or height. Sorry. So this brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching to the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.